So here we have my lovely Flex Innovations RV-8 for a 70cc engine. I bought this kit about 2 years ago, but due to life, lack of space, and being a bit scared to put so much money up in the air, I've dragged my feet getting it ready. But I've dug it out. It's time to get it built. It's a lovely day and hopefully going to be a lovely flying season. So let's take a look at the Flex 70cc RV-8. This is the G1 version. There's a G2 out now, but the mods on that I think is quick fit wings, maybe a few other tweaks, but still structurally they're pretty much the same size and specification. So we've got the airframe. This is in the military camo version. We can see I've got the RV-8 wing bag set as well to go with it. That was a bit of a pricey add-on, but I thought it'd be good to protect the model based on the cost of the airframe, try and reduce the hanger rash. I'm going to be fitting into it the GP76 two-cylinder petrol engine. Let's take a look at that. So we've got the two-cylinder engine here. Gets great reviews online, good bit of power from it. And I'm going to be running that through a MTW 2-in-1 and an MTW TDH 110 single canister, just exiting to the rear of the wing area. So that should help keep the noise down, give it a nice sound. A few other extras that we've got the custom spinner, so it's the colour match spinner to go on the cowling. And I do have a Flex Pilot, but I've actually bought it's Aircraft International, one of the large foam ones, which I'll probably fit instead, a little bit bigger. We've got the RV-8 flight control system, and I was lucky enough to get the Kali graphic sets rather than the large stick-on sheets you cut out. These will be sort of transfer vinyls, which will should look a lot neater on the airframe. This is the AR SFV version, so all of the tailplane panels come with the servo pre-fitted, and the control surfaces have been pre-hinged and sealed, so it makes it much quicker to build. And then for the fin, you've got the option of putting the rudder servo into the fuselage on a pull-pull system, or in my case, I'm going to fit the servo inside, and then that'll make it easier for removing the fin and storing the fuselage away. Moving on to the wing panel. Again, we have the pre-fitted servos. So we've got the pre-fitted servos on this air, and we can see that we've got a lovely big flap and aileron control area, and using the RV-8 we'll be able to use both the flap and the aileron combined to get enhanced control surface throw for extreme manoeuvrability. And then coming around to the fuselage, so we'll just take the canopy off, and lots of space in the fuselage. I'm going to fit a smoke system, so a couple of tanks in here, and then plenty of space to fit all the radio gear. So this is the year to get it built and get it flown, and I've got floats as well, so that should be fun in the summer, get some float flying done as well.